final short. 07, Cessna 206 traffic short final for landing.
Holding short runway 07, go power 147.
0 Romeo, clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
Land 07, no materials.
For 147, line up and wait, 07.
Runway 07, go power 147.
November 370 Romeo, arrive at the 27, taxi across Alpha Parking, monitor ground 1217.
The parking monitor ground 117, 370 Romeo.
Opa 147, clear takeoff 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 07, go power 147.
Contact Frankfurt radar 120.8, take care.
0.8, go power 147, good day.
Delta 1801, RNAV 7.
1801, thanks to tower, roger. Be advised there appears to be a light shower just south of the approach 07, around about 6 miles, and it's slowly moving to the north. Wind at station 070 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land 07.
7, thanks for the info, Delta 1801.
American.
American 2763, thanks to tower, roger. Continue approach 07. Be advised showers appears to be about 6 miles on final 07. None at station and visibility from the tower now 5.5 miles.
63.
1801, arrived 38. Are you able to make Bravo?
1801.
Roger, vacate on Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Over ground, Delta 1801.
American 2763, clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
And runway 7, American 2763.
American 2763, arrived 42, vacate by Alpha.
American 2760.
American 2763, what was the weather like on the approach?
Five miles out.
Ground 121.7.
Tom Jet 854 is just turning finals runway 07 and we have 8 miles.
Tom Jet 854, Roger, clear to land 07, wind at station 060 degrees, 16 knots, and be advised the cell just in front of you, but there is no show at the station.
Okay, that's great. Turning finals, Tom Jet 854. Are we clear to land?
Affirm, clear to land 07.
We clear to land, Tom Jet 854.
American 875 tower, ready to go.
875.
Roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
07, American 875. Your tower, WestJet 2704 with you, final 07.
2707, thanks to tower, Roger. I have your visual, continue approach 07.
WestJet 2704.
Afternoon, Juliet, flying
6 November Juliet, thanks to tower, Roger. Traffic here following 738 max on a 6-mile final, 2000 descending for 07.
Over the traffic, November Juliet.
10854 arrive with a 49er. Vacate via Alpha. Contact ground 121.7.
Take control. Good night.
Mark 875, clear takeoff 07, wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
On runway 7, American 875.
WestJet 2704, clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
WestJet 2704.
But you let traffic now, 2 mile final, 1.5 now 700, proceed to final 07.
Final 7, November Juliet, visa with a 737.
Ja. Grill.
Negative, just right here.
Ja. 75, contact Sangster radar 120.8, take care.
0.8, good day.
JetBlue 1179 on the RNAV RMP, runway 7.
179er, Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach runway 7, JetBlue 1179.
Jet 2704, arrive at 53, continue to roll out, vacate on Alpha, expedite, contact the ground, 121.7.
Roll it to, Washington 2704.
60 degrees, 14 knots.
November Juliet.
1179er, there appears to be showers around about 6 miles, be advised none at station.
Say again for JetBlue 1179.
About 6 miles on final, no showers at station.
1179, copy.
November Juliet, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
So in Juliet.
1628 will be ready for takeoff runway 7 when you are.
1628, Tower Roger, hold short 07, Cessna traffic over the lights, 321 Neo traffic, 5 miles.
When you are 1628.
November Juliet, arrive at 55, vacate to via Delta, taxi across Alpha parking, monitor ground 121.7.
Go 121.7, good day Juliet.
JetBlue 1179er, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
For 1179, clear for takeoff, clear to land runway 7.
About 1628, line up and wait, 07.
Line up and wait, runway 7, 1628.
JetBlue 1179, arrive at 56, vacate Bravo, contact the ground, 121.7.
1.7 JetBlue 1179.
1628, clear takeoff, 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Runway 7 United 1628.
One 628, contact, thanks to radar, 120.8.
20.8, United 1628, so long.